Welcome to Eye Care in Focus, where we try to make eye health and vision care more clear for you. And today, we're talking about proper contact lens techniques. Step 1, wash your hands. We're talking soap and water here, people. None of this rinsing your hands with water and calling it good. Sing happy birthday, your favorite song, whatever you have to do, scrub for at least 20 seconds. We want to make sure our hands are as bacteria-free as possible. Step 2. Okay, so now that your hands are clean, we need to actually wash the contact lenses themselves. So you want to put the contact lens in the palm of your hand with a little bit of disinfecting solution. Then you need to rub. And the bottle would tell you need to rub for at least 20 seconds. After that, you're supposed to rinse each side of the contact lens for 10 seconds with a steady stream of solution. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm not going to go all the way to 20, but you get it. 20 seconds is a long time. The point is, you're supposed to rub, and not just a quick brush over and then throw them in your eyes because you're late for school again. You want to get some friction going to mechanically move any bacteria and proteins that are left on your contact lenses. Another option is to use peroxide cleaner. Hydrogen peroxide cleaner is the one that you put it in a little case and it bubbles up and you leave it in there overnight. That stuff works really well and you don't have to rub at all with that one, which a lot of people like because it's less risk of tearing your lens. But I really want to stress that you should not get that stuff in your eye unless it has stayed in the case for the specified amount of time overnight. So don't rinse your contact lenses and then put them in your eye. It will burn like crazy. Step 3, now you're ready to insert your contact lenses. You want to take one hand and grab your upper eyelid. The other hand is going to grab your lower eyelid, but also be holding the contact lens on your index finger. That's the one you're going to use to insert the contact lens. So while you're holding your eyelids, slowly bring the contact lens in close until it touches your eye. Be sure not to hit your eyelashes, that'll make the contact lens fold up. And now you can wear them all day long. Did you hear me say all day long? Notice that I didn't say night. Some contact lenses are FDA approved to sleep in, called extended wear lenses, but that's almost never my recommendation anyway. I say the safer way is always to take them out. But if you are wearing extended wear lenses, take them out at least every few days to give your eyes a break for a night. That also gives you a chance to clean them really well too. Steps 1 through 3. Some contact lenses are made to last 2 weeks, some are made to last a month. Make sure you know which yours are and that you're only wearing them for the specified amount of time. But after that amount of time, you want to throw them away and put in a fresh new pair. And I always like to stress that the only time that I see bad things happen to people's eyes as an eye doctor is when someone's been sleeping in them, not cleaning them like they're supposed to, wearing them too long, or all the above. And now for removal. So you still want to get a grip on your upper and lower eyelids like you did when you were inserting. But this time, you're going to drag the contact lens down a little bit with your index finger and then pinch it off of your eye. Then you want to put them into your case with fresh solution. Don't just top it off. That solution can get contaminated over time and then you'll have bacteria growing in your contact lens case. And now that you've taken your contact lenses out, you can go to sleep. Thanks for watching another episode of Eye Care in Focus. If you have a question for us or a topic you'd like us to cover, send us a message on the Roberts-Philpott Eye Associates Facebook page or Instagram, or leave a comment below.